So a few things to look out for when booking your campsite is actually the campgrounds as a whole. So there's lots of forums and blogs and review sites, and myself and a lot of other campers use those to determine which campgrounds we want to go to. So typically I'll look at some reviews, and there's positive and negative to everywhere. So I'll look at a few and see if it's a campground that I don't want to go to, because there might be a lot of people that stay there for the whole summer, which isn't bad, but if you're just coming in for a weekend, oftentimes it can be awkward. And haven't been an RVer, I've been in that situation. So some RV sites or RV campgrounds are more meant for the long-term stays, and some are meant for those transient stays. Another red flag is how easy is it going to be to get your RV in the site? Personally, I love pull-through sites. It's great. You come in, you pull through the site, you drop your jacks and you're done, right? But there's a lot of sites, most sites out there, there's some sort of backup that you have to do. And be careful about picking a site that's on a corner, on a sharp curve, because backing up can be really awkward, especially if the road isn't that big where you're backing it up. If you have a big 40-foot trailer and you have a big truck pulling it, and the site is only meant for 40 feet, and it's at the edge of a curve, and it's a full weekend, and you're coming in at 10 o'clock at night, prepare for some misery when you go ahead and get to that campground. So some of the things that I'd look out for is how easy is it going to be for me to get in the campsite? Do they have pull-throughs? They're generally a little bit more money, but they do stop some arguments, which is always great. And one of the other things is when I'm going and how easy is it going to be for me to get in there? And something that you can't tell online, but it's worth a phone call, is do they allow after-hours check-ins? Some campgrounds do, some campgrounds don't. Do they have lighting if you're going to be going there at night? So oftentimes looking online, getting some feedback is a good place to start. And then some of the questions, depending on when you're going, picking up the phone and calling the campground to really help you.